Hi, I'm Kelly at Book and Paper Arts, and today I have some slow paper unbundling. I am in the process of making blank books and art journals to go into my online shop. I hope those are going to be ready around mid-month. Some are going to have vintage covers. They're going to be sewn into some vintage covers, while some are just going to have plain old paper covers or echo prints. Some are going to have straight up old school tea-dyed papers for working in as sketchbooks or diaries, while others are going to be what I call boiled books. And that's when I take mixed papers and put them into a bundle with onion skins as echo prints and rust. And then I steep them, I simmer them in a bath of tea forever. And when they're done, they look like this. And they are something. So I've got a ton of different pieces on every workspace, and you can imagine. And I was just about to open up this bundle that I simmered last night and dry the papers so I can sew them. And then I thought, you know what? I can't be the only one who could use some slow paper unbundling just about now. So that's what I'm going to do. That's pretty much going to be it. I was even going to do this really speeded up. And then I thought, nah, let's slow down, shall we? Do something, center ourselves a bit. So if you'd like that, please pull up a cup of tea and join me for some paper unbundling. The pages are quite damp, and you have to be very careful indeed. And throughout there are these rusty pieces, and then also onion skins. I'm using both yellow onion skins that have gone quite orange, and then the red or purple onion skins. When they react to I assume, the minerals in the water and the tannins in the tea and rust, it goes quite green, an olive color that I am very fond of. I don't know why it doesn't hold the purple. Yeah, but you can see there where it's green. Some of these pieces of rust are so old, they have fallen apart in the bath. Look, ooh, see? Who knew they'd do that? These are on some handwritten French papers in the 1800s. I don't have to put the onion skins on every page because that color is so strong that it is actually working its way through several sheets of fairly heavy watercolor paper at a time. Onion skins are one of my favorite free art supplies. You can make them into echo prints, and I also make mine into ink. I make mine into ink. As you can see with these vibrant colors, it would make a very cool and eccentric ink. Now it's time to open these up and let the pages dry flat. When they're very dry, I'll be sewing them into a cover. If you have any questions about how to make boiled books, I have a whole online class, and I will link to that in the text box below the video. If you have any other questions or any feedback, please let me know. I love to compare notes. And please join me tomorrow. I've got a tutorial about working in messy pages. Until then, happy making.